how to create a team on Fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create your own team on Fantasy Premier League. So for that, open up your app and then you'll need to go to the fantasy section on the bottom and you'll find pick tip option right there. Tap on it and then you'll need to put in a team name. So I'm gonna put Liverpool and then you'll need to tick on I accept the terms and conditions and uh, what you need to do is you'll be navigated to this page and now you'll need to choose the players. So just select the position and then here you'll get a list of players, so you can choose the player of your choice. Just tap on the player and it will be added. So like this, you can choose players according to your wish. And once you're done choosing the players in every position, you just need to hit save. And that's it. That's how you create team on FPL. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.